Hey everyone, we are going to the Wailua Falls, and then afterwards we're going to go to the Waimea Canyon with the whole fam here.
Kevin's driving and doing his video, and it's a little bit dangerous.
To Kerry?
We're going to Waimea Canyon.
Oh.
Yep.
It looks like it's raining though.
Yeah, hopefully it'll be nice and luscious when we get there.
I'm a passenger in the back seat because I'm accompanying our little Thomas.
Oh, isn't that kind of funny?
Our friends in front of us have a convertible in the rain.
Yes, I just don't think they really want to or know how to put the top back on. So they're just enjoying the mist. I bet it's a husband and wife, and the wife's like, honey, let's pull over.
Oh my gosh. Oh,
and he's like, we're almost there, dear.
Oh. He don't seem to like it too much. He's kind of like Mama.
He's a lot like his mom. Can't even see the little cutie. He's scared. He's putting his hat down to
He's kind of like Mama. We gotta accustom him to heights at a young age.
It doesn't matter, honey. Either you're afraid or you're not. Going to the Fern Grotto. A nice private tour to the Fern Grotto. Just come this way and we'll check it out. Shave Ice. I am more than ready for this.
Okay.
We've got the lava flow right here. I didn't have my lava flow drink, but I've got my lava flow Shave Ice. Pretty good, delicious.
Someone going swimming for the first time?
Yes, we're on our way to Thomas's first trip in the pool.
Thomas, are you excited about going in the pool?
He can't contain his excitement. Thomas is going for his first swimming lesson. He's very excited. Come on in, buddy.
Going in for the first time? Oh, it's kind of chilly.
Poor guy.
I think I remember the other pool being warmer.
The other pool is warmer.
Oh, is it?
Oh, is it heated?
I think so.
Poor guy.
That's where everybody was, and I think
I
that's
feel
probably
bad.
why.
Maybe we should do that.
They got little turtles.
Let's go to the heated pool.
He might be a little cold if I put him in here.
Yeah. Eat before he goes for a swim.
Yeah, and he doesn't know what you're supposed to do. Have a big meal right before you swim.
Yeah.
This is Thomas's first time in the water.
First time ever in a swimming pool.
First time ever. We'll see how he likes it. Are you ready, buddy?
Oh, he seems okay.
Yeah? How's it going?
He's kind of enjoying it.
He's a water baby.
He's a water baby. She's very comfortable. He's gonna do a little video shot of us. Or a little more.
Now we're doing the towel dry service after swimming. He lasted about 5 minutes, which in our books is pretty good.
Huh? Did you enjoy
He's
it?
speechless. I think that.
This is our last full day in Kauai.
I know.
Oh.
Oh, he kind of made a little noise.
Thomas is sad about that. Thomas, are you sad about being the last day here in Kauai?
Come back.
We'll be back. He's a native Hawaiian. Oh, he's sad about the end of the trip.
How do I think we're on the pull-out, honey?
Our little Thomas is taking over the bed.